Hak jing persang banwat gilat glenti habai day bat ki Pynroi ke Jylla menteri rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma haka kondai tarik lalungkot arja penriau ulai kendu yo menteri rangba du kari India Narendra Modi banyakran Halor kini kikam hak jing kendu menteri rangba ke Jylla ulai kran Halor ke jing nang yai keu ke Jylla haka yo kakon ke jing penia re kakam chungok kai perthai ke jing penkre nakabanta ka 39 National Games kaban long house nam arja penyo nolor kiwi pan Kladen ru ke Jingmut pada menteri rangba ke Jylla bat menteri rangba du kari India habai day bat ki Pynroi ke bawan nang ni sakmat nakabanta ke Jylla.
Today I had the opportunity to meet the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and in that meeting many aspects of development of the state of Meghalaya were discussed. In the last 7.5-8 years, we have gone through a long journey of different challenges, different opportunities, and at the same time different development works that have taken place. In this meeting, I was able to share some of those different works, whether it's in terms of infrastructure, in terms of economic growth, or in terms of the social aspects and aspects related to the health and education sector of our state. All of these aspects were discussed with the Honorable Prime Minister. And I also shared some of the challenges and concerns that we have. I also requested the Honorable Prime Minister that if certain aspects in the upcoming budget and upcoming Finance Commission's reports could also be looked into, suggestions were made in those lines as well. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his leadership, especially when it comes to the northeast part of India, as well as the state of Meghalaya in particular. A large development aspect and different programs and schemes have been given to the northeast, which have made a huge difference. Our state of Meghalaya has also benefited largely. As you're all aware, in the last 8 years, Meghalaya has seen tremendous growth in terms of its GSDP, where we are the second fastest growing economy, as well as an economy that has consistently grown at an average of about 10% in the last 3 years. So all of these aspects were presented to the Honorable Prime Minister, and we look for continuous support from his end and from the Government of India's end for taking the state of Meghalaya forward.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya